Hello everyone and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sort alphabetically in Microsoft Word. So we've got some words over here in which we'd like to sort alphabetically. Now what you need to do is you need to highlight all of them, so as it goes like that, and then you've got your A to Z sort button here. So you click on it, you've got the paragraphs, you've got your text, you've got ascending. You can sort by ascending or descending here. And then you click OK, and then you can see this is sorted now A to Z in alphabetical order and ascending order. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you'd like any further tutorials or how-tos on any specific topics, feel free to comment below. And also, once again, not only to watch more videos for us, but also to become a how-to guru with How To For You, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you later.